Alright guys, so I had to put the shirt on because if I didn't, the makeup would like get all on the inside of the shirt and we didn't want that. So this is a shirt. If you guys watched my clothing haul, I said I was wearing for Halloween, so I am. So basically, where's my, oh last thing. So I'm gonna start off by applying, I don't know why it doesn't focus. There you go. By applying this moisturizer. And it's oil free because my face is really dry. Oh, I'm gonna have this thing on my head, this, so that I can hold my hair back. This from Curl, it's a satin scarf. Alright, so you guys saw how it's gonna look in the end. I don't know what the process is gonna be. I did this look once and it was yesterday. And like, yeah, it looked good yesterday. But I don't know if it's gonna look good today. So we're gonna see. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by using two foundations. One is from BH Cosmetic. It's a liquid foundation, BH Cosmetic Complexion Collection. And the other is from Kiko Milano Skin Evolution Foundation. So this is one of them. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There you go. That's one. This is the other. Okay, so I'm gonna just put them onto my sponge, and then I cannot get dirty. If this shirt gets dirty, we're gonna have a problem. Alright. Oh, and you see me looking like behind because my mirror is behind the camera. I don't like OD on the foundation because that's a lot. I just like do a little bit. And I use both because my skin complexion is like the mix of both. Because one is too light and one is too like orange. So like the mix of both is about my skin complexion. So I'm gonna do the eyes first because I know I'm gonna mess up like 10,000 times before I actually like get it right. So I'm gonna do the eyes first. So, guys, my ears. Okay. So I'm going to be using two palettes. The Morphe, I think it's 35F. This is the same one I used my birthday. It's 30. Because like I can't show you guys, it's gonna pop. I mean, what did I just say? It's the thing is broken. One of the colors broke, two colors broke. And then I have the BH Cosmetics 88 Neutral Color Eyeshadow Palette. That one's also 30. But like it's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna put a picture here of the palette of the Morphe one because I can't lift it to show you guys what colors I'm using. So this is really destroyed. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my, where's my brushes? Okay, I'm going to go in with brushes. This is why we get everything ready beforehand, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Vasanti Contour Eyeshadow 4 brush. This is the brush with the shade that whatever picture's there. So just go in right there. I'm not doing like some big thing with eyeshadow because I tried that yesterday and I looked like I had a black eye. So that's not what we're doing. I just realized I didn't have a base. Oh well. This is why I said we're doing the eyes first. I know I'll mess up. And y'all gonna see the whole process of me messing up. I feel like I have so much more on this side than I do this side. This is why we don't do makeup, guys. And we do hair. But like, I don't have a choice in doing my hair unless I want to look crazy. Alright. I don't think you should see it in the camera. It's alright. It's there. I know it's there. Yeah, I know it's there. It's okay. Alright. It looks alright, I guess. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics one. I mean, the palette. And with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with. I'm gonna start tearing, and then makeup's gonna run. That's great. Alright. So I'm gonna go in with the orange right there. It's orange. I like how my light's reflecting. That's great. Okay, I'm going with the orange with the same brush. And here I have a mirror. It's down here, so I'm gonna use this mirror. This is like blending in the contour line. I mean, what? The crease line. But I'm blending it in with the orange. So that I can have a lining effect. Lining effect. Is that even a word? Sigh. Okay. I honestly don't know if you guys can see this. I think you can a little bit. Okay. So then, like I said, I'm keeping this nice and simple because the hard part hasn't come. I've done eyeliner once, and it was yesterday. That's the only time it ever came out good. So if it don't come out good today, I'm gonna have to reach my home again. I had to do that yesterday. It was terrible. So now I'm just going with the color. I mean, with the shine. I may use one that I show because I cannot lift this. Okay. Wait, I can't see. Yeah, you guys could definitely see this. I'm tearing. We love a girl who tears. Jesus. Alright. This get ready with me is gonna be like slightly boring because it's 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm really tired. Alright. So like my eyes are done here. Oh no, my eyes are not done. I definitely lied. I need to do the eyeliner, which might come out atrocious. Alright, we're gonna use this mirror that I had on my palette for the eyeliner. I lied, we're gonna use the mirror right in front of me. It's gonna get real up close and personal because the mirror is mad far. That's it. It looks good for like me never doing eyeliner a day in my life. So we're gonna live with this. It looked better yesterday, but I mean, it's okay. It's not that bad. I lied. We're not starting over. I'm gonna look atrocious. Atrocious. This is what I got for never doing eyeliner. Yeah, we're not gonna do the bottom because, like, that's a little advanced. It's okay. We'll look okay. Next eye. This one's 20 times harder to do, so let's see how this goes. So one is way thicker than the other. Okay, I don't even know, to be honest, but my camera died in the middle of me shooting. So while the camera was dead, I kind of just like redid the eyeliner. It clearly doesn't look the best because, you know, I don't do makeup, but like it'll do. So now I'm just going with contouring. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Illuminati by Ashley Tisdale. I'm gonna be using the, I guess, shade or whatever, Seychelles. I don't even know what it's called. But we're gonna be using that. I need to like hurry up because my thing is gonna die again. So I'm going with the contour brush from BH Cosmetics. I just realized I went in with this before I went on my concealer. It's okay. So I'm going with my concealer now. Now I have a little bit of cheekbones. Not a lot, but like it's there. Where's my concealer? Right there. I'm like doing a lot of concealer because you need it for the look. I don't know if you guys hear the music in the back. My mom just like started blasting music. And then she texted me like, I hope I didn't ruin your video. But my camera was dead, so it's okay. I'm gonna just do this for now. I'm gonna use the other side on Beauty Blender to this side. Alright, so that's done. I don't know why I look like really shiny, because like, I don't in person. So now I have to do this section for the lion. So I'm just gonna add extra. I have to go down, like a circle type. Okay. You can kind of see it, I guess. A little bit. Okay. So now, I'm gonna go on my contour again. Go on my contour again, just a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go with my highlighter. I'm using the Wild and Radiant. Alright, so I'm using this one. And the brush is from E.L.F. So out here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. For some reason you like can't. But this is really out here. Like out here. So I'm gonna do the brow bone. Brow bone, okay. Now I'm gonna do the actual lion stuff. So I'm gonna be using, where's the brush? So now, I'm using eyeliner for this. I'm gonna just put the eyeliner on the brush. Brush from Glue Bone. It's like a really bad brush, hence why I'm using it for this. Okay, so I'm going to just do my nose. Alright guys, so my camera died again. Right before I put on the lipstick and did that. So like, this is the end of the day. Cause like, I couldn't come back, I had school. So this is how like it looks. I'm gonna add pictures of like how I looked, my whole outfit and everything. And the makeup and everything. So I basically like just took out my hair and I picked it all out so that I could be like really big like a lion. And I did the lipstick and then I did the couple dots and then I put setting spray. I used this setting spray. There you go. I used that setting spray. So like it wasn't much left that I had to record. I just didn't show like my outfit and stuff, but I'm gonna include pictures of my outfit, everything. Alright guys, okay. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post. Okay. Oh my god, that was so bad. Cause like there's no lipstick there. Okay, we're done.